key focus for us when designing the new RC range was completely redevelop not only the rider seat but also the passenger seat. When designing these seats, we had three key focus points in mind. Our first point was to visually make both rider and passenger seat look a lot better. Secondly, improve the comfort of both seats. And thirdly, improve the active riding dynamics.
So what does this mean and how have we achieved it? First of all, for the visuals, we've used an Alcantara style material and added some distinctive RC branding. For comfort, we've doubled the foam thickness. So this dramatically changes the comfort for the rider and for the pillion. But despite doubling the foam thickness, we've managed to achieve the same seat height as the outgoing model. Active riding dynamics. We've completely revised the shape of the seat. So for the rider, there's a better contact when moving around. And also with the Alcantara material, it gives a better grip. So even in wet conditions, the ride can feel like they're in control.
Rider feel is of the utmost importance to us. What we've done is we've completely redesigned both rider and passenger foot pegs, making them lighter and also increasing the surface area.
The shifting mechanism was also revised to improve feeling when changing gears. And for the real racer who's pushing his bike to the limits here and going for the extreme lean angles, we've also changed the foot plates on the brake and the gear lever itself. These are now foldable, so if they make contact with the track surface, they can fold back and not disrupt the rider's flow.